Alright guys, this is going to be a land leveling checkout video. I'm using EFT to check a land leveling design that was completed. I did the land leveling design, and originally the land leveling design, the gentleman had a field that was sloped at about 0.4, 0.35%. He was having issues with the water just kind of going all the way down to the bottom. Um, the field is not conducive of being a level basin, so I couldn't do that. So, so as to mitigate the amount of cuts, I ended up just designing it at a 0.2. The field nearby had been leveled at that, and they had good luck with it, so I mimicked it. So the cut was 1,050.32 cubic yards total, about 300 cubic yards per acre. That was the original design. Um, so what I did was I brought in yesterday the field, surveyed the newly leveled field with the Trimble RTK unit for me, and they come up with this survey. And using EFT, I just basically did a land leveling design on a field that already had been land leveled, and to check whether it had been leveled. So if you follow the Samantha's training video on how to do land leveling designs in EFT, you can get to this point. So when I ran the report, um, I ended up getting the following results. So I just did a best fit slope on the newly leveled field, and originally the slope was 0.35, now it's at 0.22, so it's pretty close to 0.2%, the original design. The cross slope is virtually 0.018%, so 0.00018, so virtually zero. If you look at the cut compared to what it was, 1,050 versus now 100, obviously they leveled the field. And the cut per acre went from 298 to 48.5. So they obviously went out, leveled it, were able to achieve the design slope, have no cross slope. So all I did thereafter was using EFT, I just did a land leveling report, and when I did the land leveling report, I specified that I just want the land leveling design report. I didn't want the ISOPAC report, and I didn't want the survey points report. And so all I did was, and I do this for all, now I do it more so now that I know how to do it. Normally I would print people's designs and redline them by hand, um, and I just found the easier way. So I use this fill and sign tool, and if I see something wrong on someone's design, you'll see an X or something like that. But in this case, I just put a check mark next to the slope and the cross slope, just showing that it met the design slope. Then using this AB tool, I just typed in land leveling meets specs, something like that. So what I'll do thereafter is this is what I'll give the field, and I will electronically sign it, and that'll be my land leveling checkout. So I like to do these videos while I'm actually doing something I gotta do because it kills two birds one stone. So I thought I'd share this video with how I do land leveling checkout for land leveling checkout that was performed yesterday by the field. They gave me their survey, and I just finished checking it out. It meets standards and specs. This is more than one way to skin the cat. I try to get from point A to point B as fast as I can and as efficiently as I can. So this is what I did. And anyone can replicate this. So if you go out and you survey a field, after it's been newly leveled, you can go resurvey it, put the points into EFT, and just do a land leveling design on a field that already been leveled and check to see if the cuts, or sorry, the slope, design slope was met and the cross slope was met. Um, that's really all I focus on. Now, probably some of you guys will comment on this max cut of 1.8 and max fill. Well, I don't know how it generated that, um, but I know that it's been leveled, um, and so we're good to go. If you have any questions, let me know. You can also do this in Egg Star. I know Samantha's done it in Egg Star. Same thing. She puts the survey that she's done, or the survey that the field's done of the field that's been leveled. She puts it in AutoCAD, and then she runs a best fit slope. And if the best fit slope coincides with the design slope, well then you're good to go. If you have any questions, give us a call.